Hey, this is Pedro the Period Construction again. This is roof leak repair project over here in Pine Brook, New Jersey. After we finish, looking like this one. That's how it's look. That's roof leak repair project after we finish it. The other side. Be looking for any service, professional roof repair replacement service, you can contact us 973-573-6191. That's a brand new roof. Somebody did like 2 years ago, then trying to repair couple times, but they cannot fix the problem. So we come to fix this problem like that one. After we finish looking like that. That's it for today. Keep watching. See you next video.